So good morning students. In continuation with the previous class, we'll see for the different inputs. Last class we have seen for ramp input, step input. Now we'll see for ramp input. Okay. So for ramp input again we'll check for type 0, type 1 and type 2 system. First we'll check for type 0. Type 0 means for j is equals to 0. So if j is equals to 0, then s to the power of j, s to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So we know that g of s into h of s is equals to, this formula we know, right? Okay, general formula is g of s into h of s is equals to this, g of s into h of s k into 1 plus t1 of s into 1 plus t2s divided by s to the power of j plus in the bracket 1 plus tas into 1 plus tbs. So s to the power of j here in for ramp input, for we are checking for 0, so s to the power of 0 is 1 here, so we can write g of s into h of s like this. Okay, so again for ramp input we will get positional error coefficient, that is kv. So we have already derived an expression for kv. Kv is equals to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s into h of s. So after substituting g of s into h of s is equals to this, okay, we'll get kv is equals to 0 because s is in the numerator. So we know that ess is equals to a divided by kv. So a divided by kv is 0 here, a divided by 0 is infinity. So graphically we can show the desired output is ramp. Okay, again expected is exponential, the difference between these two is infinity. We can show graphically here. Again second time assuming the actual output as an oscillatory, so and desired output is ramp input again, and output again the difference between these two, again I can show here ess is equals to again infinity. Again for type 1 substitute j is equals to 1, s to the power of 1. Okay, and substitute in the standard equation, you will get this equation. After substituting in standard equation you will get this equation. Again you know that kv is equals to same formula. After substituting this this s and this s will get cancelled. So again kv is equals to again k, again we will get some constant value. So this constant will be a finite value, so we can show the difference like this here graphically, again here also. Okay, so similarly for type 2 again j is equals to 2, j is equals to 2, again s square, again substituting the value g of s into h of s is equals to, will get this, that is k in the bracket 1 plus t1s into 1 plus t2s divided by s square 1 plus ts plus 1 plus tbs. Okay, so kv is equals to again the same formula, substitute this, again yes, one s from the numerator will get cancelled with the denominator, you will get this divided by s into this. Okay, so after substituting s tends to 0, you will get in the numerator, you will get a constant divided by 0, again it will be infinity. So ess is equals to a divided by kv, a divided by infinity, again anything divided by infinity is again 0. So we'll show the error like this, that is both the line touches to each other, showing that the error is 0, assuming exponential output, assuming here oscillator output. Okay, so similarly for parabolic. Okay, parabolic again for type 0, type 1, type 2 again. So k is equals to, we have derived from previous class, k is equals to limit s tends to 0 s square g of s into h of s. Okay, for type 0 again you substitute the value, you will get this equation g of s into h of s, you substitute this. Okay, in the numerator only will get s square, as limit s tends to 0 the entire time will be 0. So if you will get k is equals to 0, again you have derived again expression for parabolic for steady state error also, ess is equals to a divided by ka, a divided by 0 is again infinity. Okay, so again you can show graphically like this. So assume first desired output is parabolic and actual output is exponential, difference between like this, again parabolic, expected output is oscillatory, again infinity. Okay, similarly for type 1 you will get again infinity, again for type 2 you will get this. Okay, so after this we'll solve the problems, please carefully read the problems here. Statement: a unity feedback system have g of s is equals to 40 into s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 4 and determine. Okay, first what he said, unity feedback means h of s is equals to 1, you assume always. Okay, so first one, type of the system you need to determine. Second one, all error coefficients you need to determine. All error coefficient means positional, velocity and acceleration, that is kp, kv, ka we have to find out here. Okay, so and error for ramp input with magnitude 4. Okay, remember first we'll write an equation. First we know that g of s is equals to 40 into s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 1 s plus 4. Okay, and we should write in the form of, okay, that standard form. How? this in this form we should write, that is here in this form we should write 1 plus t1s 1 plus t2s. In this form we should write here. So for that what we have to do, okay, so we'll rearrange the equation. I'll take 2 common from this. This will be 1 plus t1 s form. Again here in the denominator I'll write 1 plus s. Again to write in the form of 1 plus t1 s form, again I'll take 4 common. Okay, after taking common, this will be, the numerator will be, okay, because this 4 into 10 40, so 10 into 2 is 20. 1 plus 1 divided by 2s means 0.5s. okay, again s into 1 plus s into 1 plus 1 divided by 4 means 0.25s. We have written in the form of 1 plus t1s, numerator as well as denominator we have written. Okay, again, so here s to the power is 1, that means it is type 1 system. Because here s to the power of j is 1 here, so it is type 1 system. So first we have derived, we knew that the type of the system. Second, we need to find the error coefficient. First error coefficient I will find kp, positional error coefficient. For that, formula is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So g of s into h of g of s is this, g of s into h of s is also equals to this, because h of